When you open DeepSeek, you don't just get an answer, you see how it thinks. This tiny feature made 20 million Americans ditch ChatGPT overnight. But why? Let's crack open the AI war shaking Silicon Valley. Let's kick things off with a little experiment. We'll both pose the same question to DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Should schools ban smartphones? And then compare their responses. DeepSeek doesn't just answer, it teaches. ChatGPT's reply? A diplomatic shrug. For students writing essays or teachers crafting policies, transparency isn't a luxury, it's a lifeline.
You may have heard of this new AI tool called DeepSeek, and it is purported to be better than Claude or ChatGPT or Perplexity. So
how does DeepSeek pull back the curtain? Its engineers built a dual-layer AI. One answer generator crafts responses using GPT-4 level language models. 2. Truth Engine scours 50-plus academic databases, government reports, and verified news archives in real time. In 2023, a lawyer used ChatGPT's fake citations and nearly lost his license. In 2024, Midjourney's algorithms erased diverse cultures from historical scenes. The world started asking, can we trust AI? DeepSeek's response? Radical honesty. Every claim, every stat, traceable, debatable, human. Neuroscientists call this the aha effect, the thrill of seeing how a puzzle is solved. DeepSeek taps into that primal curiosity, turning AI from a tool into a tutor.
With DeepSeek, I actually learn. It's like having a nerdy best friend.
ChatGPT feels like cheating. DeepSeek feels like Google Scholar on steroids.
DeepSeek didn't just go viral for being Chinese ChatGPT, it offered 3 things Silicon Valley forgot: transparency, affordability, and nerdy swagger. Students, startups, and coders flocked to DeepSeek's open-source model. Why pay $20 a month for ChatGPT's black box when you could hack DeepSeek for free? DeepSeek's brain works like a team of specialists. Need math? It activates the quant nerd. Need satire? The Lu Xun module takes over. ChatGPT? It's a generalist, jack of all trades, master of none. Developers noticed DeepSeek's code is like IKEA instructions, detailed and reproducible. ChatGPT's a glossy magazine photo, pretty but impractical. DeepSeek studied America harder than a freshman abroad. How? Its training data included US Reddit threads, TikTok trends, and e-commerce reviews, all while avoiding ChatGPT's safe corporate tone. DeepSeek forced a reckoning. Why pay for bloated AI when a $6 underdog does it better? Nvidia's stock crashed, Meta scrambled to copy its architecture, and ChatGPT rushed out a half-baked explain my answer feature. DeepSeek didn't just beat ChatGPT, it exposed Silicon Valley's biggest flaw: arrogance. When AI hides its work, we lose trust. When it teaches us, that's a revolution. So, genius or theft? Debate in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into AI's biggest scandals, hit subscribe.